Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an electric Smith Corona 120 Electra, and it's doing a common deal with these, and it has to do with this type bar right here where it won't reset. So I'm going to turn the motor by hand right here, or turn the belts by hand right there. So that's a manual way of driving this, and this type bar won't settle back down. See that? It just keeps repeating. If I turn it on, it just goes crazy. So that's pretty common because of sticky oil, sticky parts. So I'm trying to explain this, but this is a video explanation of what's happening. Okay, so there's our lever right here. And it's got all these little cams in here, all these little pivot parts right there. And if we turn a regular one that's working right here, let's say, and we turn it and it goes up, so the type bar is raising up right now. And if I move this manually, it's really hard to see in here, right in there, but that little paw will reset itself. It just did it right there. So that bar will come back down. This bar that's sticking over here, that paw is sticking or stuck. Not just sticking, but actually stuck. Okay. So there's the bar and there's the movement. So that little latch is not moving back in place. So what we do is flush this first, put a little degrease in there, a little lacquer in there, and we got to break those parts free and make sure they start working. That's the little tricky part. It might have already just fixed itself because it just settled back down. Let's see. But that's it. These little pivots in here. I'll have to trigger one again here. Trigger one closer right there. So we'll trigger that to go. So there's a whole bunch of little parts in there. Well, they're hard to see. Really hard to see on camera at all. Get that type bar up here again. Where is it? There it is. So see that little piece just moved to right there. All these little pieces have to move in here. There's a few of them that have to move, and they're kind of tucked back up in there. There it goes, that little piece right there. That's what was sticking on that one. So let's see if that's working again now. Still going, so it didn't. Yeah, it's really crazy. So that's the J right here. Make sure I get the right one here. That's this one. In fact, I'm gonna mark this so I know which one we got. You can see that mark. Okay, so it's that one. All right, let's look a little closer here. Let's see. In fact, I gotta move the camera out of the way a little bit so I can see in here. And all right, I gotta get some lights, and we'll see if I can see exactly where that's sticking at. All right, let's find out which one it is. Okay. I already can't find it. Huh. I don't know why I wasn't looking up here. Let's see. That's good. That's good. Sure seems like it's down in here where the latch is. So right in there. There's a paw way up in there. That has got to be flushed out. Let's see if I can get this. Come up a little more. Come on, buddy. Might have got it right there. Oh, that one's stuff. Oh, that one too. Let her ride. Set it back down there, buddy. Okay, so there's more than one sticking here. This is going to be a challenge because I think they're all sticking on this guy. There's this one sticking right here. Get in here and get that paw moving. That's the key, is to get that paw way up in there to start pivoting again. Wow, that's not easy access. Okay, let's see if we can see that paw a little better. I can see it. I can barely see it. It's stuck. Oh, well, it's just, there it goes. Right there. But I don't know if it's gonna stay unstuck. Let's see. It's still stuck. So this is the procedure, and it can really be a pain. There's that paw again right there. And that's just sticking. There it goes. Now it's okay. Let's try the L or the J again. So the J is fixed, but the I is still sticking, even though I got it in there pretty good. To that paw, I can see it now, right there. And it just is, there it goes. Wow. Okay. Well, that's the procedure. Well, that's sticking too. See that? See that moving real slow? So everything's got to be flushed out of here. This piece right here. Watch how slow it moves. That's too slow. That's too slow. It should spring back fast. See that one? It's all stiff right there. They're all just stiff. Yeah, this is just gonna need some more flushing. See how that one springs back? And that one is stiff. Just, you know, they gotta move fast or they stick. It's starting to work. I wonder if that eye's gonna work now. This is just a matter of cleaning and okay, got the I working, got the J working. I bet others are sticking over here. Like O is not even firing off. I bet the O will stick. Nope. Okay. Looking better. Oops. L. Crazy. Okay, gotta flush the L. It's a meticulous little job on these when they have been sitting for 30 years or 40 years, and they get the old oil in there just seizes up. And there's just so many pivot points in these little cams, and they all have to move freely. They don't move freely, they're gonna stick like that one right there. All right, that's how you deal with electric cams on a Smith Corona electric typewriter. Thanks, Typewriter. Good day.